Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec past question year 2019. Question number 46 says, to make prayer effective, James taught that Christians should dash A. Pray without ceasing. B. Pray in tongues. C. Have congregational prayers. D. Avoid double mindedness. The correct option here is avoid double minded. So he said, according to James, when he was teaching his followers, he taught them that whenever they pray, they should not doubt God. They should not doubt God. That whatever they ask of God will be done unto them. So they should not doubt God. That was the courage that James embedded on his congregation, and that is what James taught them, that effective prayer can only be attained without double-mindedness. So we find the details of this in the book of James, chapter 4 verse 5. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.